Morning traders, so this is the morning view for today. Pretty cloudy today. That's alright. It was super hot yesterday. Let's go have some breakfast. And we are supposed to be meeting up with Peter today, but he did not make it. His flight got cancelled or delayed. But anyway, let's go see what we have for breakfast. Alright, so we found the gym. Let's just go and check it out. It's a neat and small gym. Pretty cool view. The mountains, some buildings, got the harbour there on the right. Not bad. Quite a lot of equipment, decent amount for a hotel. Maybe we should get some workouts, you know, guys. I mean, damn, putting on some weight here. Let's see if we can get a nice harbor view. Be cool if sunrise was like right in front of us, or sunset. Maybe we'll try catch it one of the days if it is. Let's go check the swimming pool area. Guys, we found the pool on the top floor. It was pretty hidden, we had to ask about it. I've already had a sneak peek. It's pretty cool. We've got someone in the swimming pool. So that was the pool, and then to the side here we have the sauna with a crazy view. Of the harbor. Okay, cool. Let's go have some breakfast now. Small breakfast room on the top floor. We could have breakfast up here. Not bad. Let's see what they have here. Maybe we should have breakfast downstairs at the main hall. Let's just see. Okay. That's quite a big area. Okay. So guys, this is the other pool. Got a nice corridor area here. These are the hallways for every room. Not creepy at all. Okay, harbor deck. It's a bit quiet on this area. I doubt anyone uses this. I'm guessing you have to use the elevator. Is this the pool? Really? That's tiny. And there's no even view. Yeah, I don't think we'll just waste our time to go there. You can see the harbor down there, but not really. Alright, let's just go freshen up in the room. The fit we went with, it's supposed to be semi-formal, but you know, Cape Town weather. It's pretty cool. I mean, look at the back of this. You guys can see that. Yep, it's pretty nice. Yeah, the weather today is a bit crazy, so if you're It's like 10 a.m. and this is what we still fogged out, right? But all good. Let me just grab my laptop and head for my meeting with the executives of Exness. Right, so guys, we just got out of the meeting with the executives. Unfortunately, Peter couldn't make it, the CEO of Exness. He had some issues with his visa or something like that. But we still managed to speak to a couple of the executives. And the meeting went pretty well. And for you guys there in Zim, I put forward the suggestion of adding EcoCash as a form of deposits and withdrawals. Let's see if they've taken my suggestion seriously, and let's see if it actually gets implemented in the coming few months. It will be pretty cool for all the Zim guys that use EcoCash. And yeah, anyway, we have an office tour later this afternoon, but for now we're just chilling. I probably will get something to eat at the mall, and we'll just do a bit of exploring and sightseeing. Okay guys, come, let's go find the food court. Explore with me in the mall. I kinda know this mall, so I know where I'm going. I hope so. It'll be funny if I don't. Yeah, and I'm using the DJI gimbal thing, the Osmo whatever. So this is a mall, guys. Yeah, it's pretty big. Maybe one of the days we'll explore it like properly with you guys. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the food stalls are this way. I'm sure there's a shortcut from inside. I'm taking the long route. So we go this side and then to the right. I'm pretty sure if we went back there, it's straight. It's okay. We can go look at the harbor. We can look at Table Mountain. This looks pretty nice, especially with the clouds. And now the sun is out today. That's the thing with Cape Town weather. It can be sunny, it can be cold, it can be windy, it can be rainy, all in one day. That's Table Mountain, guys. Looks pretty sick. If you go up there, it's like super windy. Well, every time I've been up there, it's super windy. And this is the harbor. Alright guys, we'll continue this. Yeah, see, I'm sure we could have just come from there. Let's just choose something and then, yeah. Okay, we're here chilling with Auden FX. We're having some Debonair's pizza. And then we're gonna go for the office meeting. Catch you guys there. Alright guys, we just arrived to the Exness office in Cape Town. Toyos.
Hello guys.
So, yeah, this is what we're looking at. Let's enjoy this and connect. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of people.
The gentleman is none other than Paul Marguerite.
So good to have you all here. This is really feels like a little bit of a dream come true. Welcome to the new Exness office in Cape Town, South Africa.
So Exness Africa, 3, 2, 1. Exness Africa.
Yes, Moses. Are you good?
I'm super great.
The best manager for Exness. He's always in charge of all the guys in Africa, mainly Zimbabwe. So if you get a call, it's from this guy. Let's go see the goats. Mr. Goat 1.
What's going on, bro?
Mr. Goat 2, you owe me a picture.
Oh, let's take a picture.
You owe me a picture, guys. show us the office.
And welcome to Exness South Africa. This is our people services, aka HR. So if anyone's misbehaving, this is where they go. But jokes aside. So this is our HR office. Here is one of our meeting rooms. The meeting rooms are based on country names for this office. Malaysia was cities, here are the countries, so this is Cote d'Ivoire. This is our client relationship service team. So for you guys that are traders, that know Moses and Luciano there at the back, this is our client relationship team side. So they usually work here taking care of our traders. They stay on this side. And coming in this way, you have our small pantry. Every floor has a pantry space where you can come and grab a coffee, sit down, take a break, and enjoy the view as well. As you can see, a few of our team are sitting outside catching some fresh air. So there's a good balcony space over there as well. Here is where our support team stays. So this is for our support team.
So these are the guys on the live chat.
Exactly. So they usually sit here. Of course, they're not here with us today. I will come back this way, but since they're using the space, let me quickly show you. Right there in the corner, we have our meeting rooms, which is Uganda and Ethiopia as well. It's where we host our meetings. So now I'll ask you guys to do a 360. If you guys want to have a peep, I know some teams are in there.
If clients want, can they come use this library?
These are
Or is
tough
it just
questions,
internal,
Mr. Adam
or is it
Musa.
just internal internal library?
It's an internal library.
Okay.
But have a look. That is the kitchen, and this is the internal library. Right now, they're using it for shooting, so you might not
Okay, cool.
be able to get the full view. But feel free to have a sneak peek. It's a large group.
It is. Okay.
Vanessa, are we getting these awards?
Which ones?
The one displayed here.
I can't even see.
You'll get better. Better than that.
Now, kindly follow me. All right, guys. Come in. You can make your way forward. So these are our other meeting rooms. I'll keep it low because they're having a meeting. This is the Nigeria boardroom. Please come in. There's some space. This is the Ghana meeting room as well. So it's again where meetings are held. Come in slowly. Okay, guys. Oh, you guys can make your way. Just making sure everyone's
Right guys, I think I'm the one giving the tour now. So this is the conference room.
All right, guys.
This is the conference room.
So this is the common area.
The common area, yeah.
We also use it here for meetings or for conferences. This is another space as well over here. This is another space also currently being used by our team that came to visit. It's another office area as well.
So you got a paddle court, and yeah. It's paddle.
Sorry?
So do you guys come here to play paddle?
Up live. Yeah, they do. Every morning at 7 a.m. they're playing paddle.
Got some fit stuff at Exness.
Ready? Okay, let's continue our final part of the tour. So this is our higher floor. It's usually used for management or a partner relationship management team. We have two offices there at the back as well. Avoid filming senior management. We have showers here as well because we have gym junkies. So showers.
Is there a gym in here?
No, unfortunately.
Oh, so
But we
meaning
do
they come
have-
from gym straight to us.
Exactly. You can take shower. Exactly. They thought about the gym junkies.
So what does it take to be an employee of Exness?
A lot. Put your
A lot.
CV on. This is our future media room. It's still a work in progress, so there's nothing in there yet, but it's going to be used for podcasts, for recording interviews. So in the future, you'll probably see way more in there as well.
Let's show them the Zimbabwe office.
And then coming in here, you have our Zimbabwe office as well. So guys, if they want to take a photo next to the sign, enjoy.
Uh-huh. This is my office, guys. My office. Welcome to the office.
Okay, the Zimbabwe office, of course.
Anyone got business in
Meeting
Zim?
room.
Just hit me up.
You just have it.
Here, I posted. Alright guys, so this is concluding our tour. So as you can see, all these 3 levels here on this side are under Exness. And soon enough, you'll probably get to visit the office again. Alright?
True.
Perfect. So now
Hey guys, we got a dinner and a show here. Well, I'm pretty sure this show was just normally here at the mall. I don't think it was arranged by Exness, I'm not sure. Guys, I'm Darcy, if you can see in the shadow. Hi. I'm the first one?
Yes, second one.
Second one?
No, right.
They're all dancing here.
they're all dancing.
The harbor right here. V&A. Hi guys. Okay, let's see what we got here. Looks like some sushi type of stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is sushi. This is nice to be the first one, but I'm feeling a bit of FOMO right now. So it's not really a... Wow, okay. I just know that stuff is not halal, it's not for me. The Exness DJ.
How's the manual?
Chat, the vibes. Let's take a walk around. I thought I'll catch the sunset, but yeah, it's covered by the buildings.
Yes, so you remember when you were Hey!
Mr. Kojo? Okay, so we're gonna end it off here. Just remember, your dreams were given to you for a reason. Don't ever give up on them.